If you are choosing between Close CRM and HubSpot, this video will save you hours of research. I'll break down the key differences in pricing, features, and who each one is actually built for, so you can pick the right one in the next 3 minutes. What they are. Close CRM is built for sales teams who want to call, email, and text leads fast. Everything happens inside one inbox-style interface. HubSpot is a full marketing, sales, and service platform. It starts as a CRM but expands into a whole suite of tools. Pricing. Close is simpler to price. Plans scale by features and users, and calling SMS credits are often built in. HubSpot's free CRM is generous to start, but costs rise quickly once you add Marketing Hub, Sales Hub, or more contacts. And enterprise level pricing can get expensive fast. Bottom line, Close is more predictable for small sales teams. HubSpot can balloon in cost as you scale. Ease of use. Close is built for speed, calls, emails, and SMS live in one screen. So reps spend less time clicking around and more time selling. HubSpot has more moving parts. It's powerful, but the learning curve is steeper, especially if you are using multiple hubs together. Features. Close strength built in calling, power dialer, SMS, and sales automation designed specifically for outbound teams. HubSpot's strengths, marketing automation, landing pages, email campaigns, and a huge app ecosystem. Ideal if you need marketing and sales in one system. If your team is mostly making calls and closing deals, Close wins. If you need marketing, content, and sales aligned, HubSpot wins. Who each is best for? Close CRM is best for small to mid-sized sales teams who sell over the phone and want a fast, no-fluff sales tool. HubSpot is best for businesses that need marketing and sales working together, or that plan to scale into a bigger all-in-one platform. So, Close for speed and simplicity in sales, HubSpot for an all-in-one growth platform. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more CRM comparisons, and let me know down below in the comments which one you are choosing. Thanks for watching and goodbye.